Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to allow WhatsApp group members to add other people to the group. This is a great way to make your group more dynamic and collaborative. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in and have access to the group where you want to enable this feature. Next, locate the group in your chat list and tap on it to open the conversation. Once inside the group chat, look at the top of the screen and tap on the group name. This will take you to the group info page. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Group Permissions. Tap on it to access the settings for managing what members can do within the group. Within the Group Permissions menu, look for the option that says Add Other Members. By default, this setting is usually turned off. Simply toggle it on by tapping the switch. Once activated, all members of your group will now have the ability to add new participants directly from their contact list. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've empowered your group members to invite others and expand your community effortlessly. Whether it's for a project team, family chat, or social gathering, enabling this feature makes managing your WhatsApp group easier and more inclusive. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share this guide with others who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.